Twinkle, twinkle, above the world.
And yet another female, Charity Shabang, has been reported missing for what the local authorities believe to be an abduction for the latest criminal trend, organ harvesting. A month ago, it was reported that 20-year-old Tabby Ndlovu went missing for 5 days before.
Amanda. You have been chosen to start a new revolution. Above the world so high. Mama is really going to love you.
Why are you singing like some demented child? Wakafa! Untie me, Amanda. Untie me before the Sego comes back, Amanda.
Mama will love you here. You will meet her very soon. She will play with your hair. Do you like my hair too? You know, you remind me of her. You have the same sense of self, just like hers. And she will have the same heart, just like yours.
Amanda, I met your mother once. She was such a lovely lady, and I think I'm more like her.
No. You're my little stud. You're my perfect stud.
Listen to me, Amanda. Listen, please listen to me. Your mother, yes. She's a star, yes. Brightest star. Shining like a diamond. Looking over you. Please, Amanda, please, Amanda, please. Somebody, please. Somebody, please help me. Somebody, please.
Well done, Nana. How Mama has missed you. I hated that I left you all alone.
Oh, Mama, I was never alone. I've made new friends, Mama. Say hello to them.
I see them, Nana. And Mama is happy that you made friends. But not like this. This is not what Mama wanted her Nana to become. Instead of opening people up, I wanted you to open yourself up to people, Nana.
Mama, are you disappointed? I was never alone, Mama. I made friends, Mama. Say hello to Mama. Say hi. I was never alone.